The Maas River cuts through the center of Rotterdam, and as a major shipping route, it's very important to the city's economy. But it also forms a major barrier for people trying to cross between the two sides of the city. By the 1930s, the existing bridges across the river were becoming increasingly crowded, so in 1938, the city began construction on the Maas Tunnel. It carries 4 lanes of motor traffic across the river, with 2 tunnels of 2 lanes each. Cycling or walking is of course not permitted in those tunnels. So there are also 2 additional tunnels, one for cycling and one for walking. Or at least that's normally how it works. As part of an extensive renovation of the Maas Tunnel, the pedestrian tunnel is currently closed. Anywhere else in the world, the municipality would probably put up signs telling people to just walk in the cycling tunnel instead. But this is the Netherlands, and that's simply not good enough. The tunnel is the only crossing of the Maas on the west side of the city center, so it can get quite busy during the day. So between 6 in the morning and 8 in the evening, pedestrians continue to not be permitted in the tunnel. Instead, the city has set up a temporary bicycle sharing program. As you enter, you can pick up one of the distinctive orange bicycles, cycle across the river, and return it on the other side. Staff are present at both entrances to provide information and to make sure that none of the orange bicycles leave the tunnel. For those who are not able to cycle, a free bicycle taxi service is available with a pair of rickshaws on call. The system generally seems to work pretty well. The main problem I see is that the bicycles are stored at ground level, requiring pedestrians to then take them down the escalator. This isn't a big deal for people who are used to it, but for someone who just walked in off the street, it can be a bit daunting. But there isn't much the city could do about this issue, because there isn't enough space at the bottom of the escalators to store the bikes, and the elevators wouldn't have enough capacity to accommodate the extra users. This temporary bike share program is yet another example of the effort that Dutch cities go through to make walking and cycling as efficient, safe, and convenient as possible.